Hey lawyers, let's look at how to use YouTube, your free business page, to get cases. Hey, I'm Mary Cary at GoMedia Marketing and Productions, legal marketing specialist right here in California. There's a few ways to get cases with YouTube free, but be sure that you have a really professional video before you start. Be careful with your brand so that you make sure that the look and feel of the video is something that you can live with for a while. I've been working in YouTube since 2006, 4 months after they started, and I have some really embarrassing looking videos if you go far enough back, so be really careful. So here's my top 3 tips for you getting cases on YouTube free. Name your files with related keywords where you want your video to rank. Tip number 2, after you upload your videos and you've added all the elements that will make sense to someone searching, embed the videos on your website and post them to Facebook too. The more people who see your videos, the better. Tip number 3, longer content on YouTube ranks better if they don't bounce off your video. People are there to be educated, and as long as your videos are helpful, people will want to stay watching them. We build law practices like yours, and we have for over 1 million years. Well, it feels that long. Sign up now for a webinar or an in-house training where we have the time to do a deep dive and go step by step on these subjects. Or if you want us to get your marketing together and do it for you, we can do that too. Oh, I almost forgot. Please like our page, thumbs up, subscribe, get notified, friend us, click, chat, fill out the form, leave a comment, get on our email list. Oh my gosh, you know what I'm trying to say. If you think our content is helpful, stay connected. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.